Dan was eating his McDonald's breakfast. Mickey D's. So Brando eats in the morning. What you eating, son? Ah, McDonald's breakfast? Huh? Hey, pig.
Here's some more sausage.
He's not even eating plus cachorro. Brando, stop dropping your food.
No, he likes the sausage and eggs. He don't really like pancakes. He likes French toast better. No, that's a knife, son. That's too big. See? Mmm.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Some eggs. There.
Hey, don't throw them on the floor now.
No.
Dig. Here's my Brando man. He got his pajamas on. He's a big man boy. Brando. Put some up on him a little bit. Why you want to throw the food now? Huh? Hey, why are you throwing the food on the floor? Supposed to eat your food.